Windy and really warm still across the area here this evening. 57 is the average high in Knoxville this time of year. We're 58 in Loudon right now, 56 Maryville, and 54 in downtown Knoxville. Even low 50s on the plateau, but do you see all those white arrows? Those are the brisk winds we're seeing right now, with the winds gusting to 41 miles per hour at Wartburg, 24 Crossville, 36 in Jamestown, 24 in Oneida, 34 Tellico Plains, and we'll see some gusty winds in the Smokies as well. This is ahead of a cold front which is pushing in our direction, and you could really see the flags that standing at attention there, Cumberland County and Crossville, and wet pavement there as well. Same thing in Knoxville. This is the Western Avenue Bridge, L&N STEM Academy here. That's what winds over Interstate 40 here at the top of your screen. Wet from the rain that we've had move through, and even some passing showers, and you still see the gusty winds right now here at Tellico Village at Tenassie Cove there at the marina. Here is that batch of rain that made its way through. Even a couple of rumbles of thunder with this earlier, pushing to the north and east. 3, in fact, in the last 15 minutes, and there's one right there, right along I-75 northwest Knox County, probably close to the Halls area between Carnes and Halls, and the way it looks right there. So we're going to continue to see these opportunities for showers as we go through the night, and then this line of showers will come through. That's the cold front. You'll know when that goes through. It'll be windy, like it has been, but then it turns much cooler behind it. So let's take a look from where we are right now, 11 o'clock. Showers moving through 3 a.m., and then basically we're drying out after about sunrise through midday, the way it looks. Then you're going to notice the much cooler air really start to filter in through the afternoon. Probably a few breaks in the clouds as well, so maybe a little bit of sun before it sets. But here's kind of what I'm looking at temperature-wise. About 55 at 5 a.m. in Knoxville, but we're already in the low 40s on the plateau. By the time we get to midday tomorrow, we've already dropped into the upper 40s with upper 30s on the plateau. And then by the time we get to mid-afternoon, maybe if we see a little bit of sunshine, we see some upper 40s, but then it drops very quickly through the evening. That's 7 p.m. right through 11 p.m. tomorrow night, and we're going to see those temperatures continue to drop. And by Friday morning, we're in the upper 20s to mid-30s for most areas, and not much of a warm-up by the afternoon Friday. Low to mid-40s across the board. Saturday will be chilly as well. If you're headed to Nashville, kickoff at 11 a.m. Central Time, noon Eastern, right here on Wate, by the way. But 36 in Nashville at kickoff to 41 by the end of the game. Make sure you take a jacket, okay? Let's take a look at Saturday. This is 7 a.m. We've got some sunshine early, then clouds build, so it's going to feel cool over there at the ball game. Little disturbance drops just to our north. The purple is some very light snow that clips the area later Saturday into early Sunday before it moves out, but not looking at much. Maybe some trace amounts across plateau or across southeast Kentucky, southwest Virginia, and even in the mountains, but we're not talking about much. It's basically just a precursor of what's to come, and that is some colder air as we go late weekend into early next week. So the 55 tomorrow is in the morning. We're basically in the 40s most of the day. We will stay in the 40s through the rest of the weekend with a very cold Saturday morning start at 24. But the Arctic air comes in Sunday into Monday. That's a 20 Monday morning with a high of 39 and a 19 Tuesday morning. I guess the good news, if you like the warmer weather, Don, maybe by the end of next week we'll be a little closer to average once again. I don't mind